Here are some beginner-level physics books and their contents. 1. Conceptual Physics by Paul G. Hewitt. 1. Introduction to Physics and Scientific Thinking. 2. Motion in 1 and 2 dimensions. 3. Newton's laws of motion. 4. Forces and the laws of gravitation. 5. Work and energy. 6. Conservation of energy. 7. Momentum and collisions. 8. Rotational motion and angular momentum. 9. Waves and sound. 10. Electric charges, forces, and fields. 11. Electric potential and electric potential energy. 12. Current and resistance. 13. Circuits. 14. Magnetism. 15. Electromagnetic waves. 1. The Feynman Lectures on Physics by Richard Feynman. 1. Introduction to Physics. 2. Basic physics concepts. 3. Conservation laws. 4. The relation of physics to other sciences. 5. The special theory of relativity. 6. Relativistic energy and momentum. 7. Spacetime. 8. Atoms in motion. 9. Quantum behavior. 10. Wave-particle duality. 11. The Schrödinger equation. 12. Probability amplitudes. 13. Identical particles. 14. The hydrogen atom. 1. University Physics by Francis Sears and Mark Zemansky. 1. Mechanics. 2. Motion in 1 dimension. 3. Motion in 2 and 3 dimensions. 4. Force and motion. 5. Work and energy. 6. Linear momentum and collisions. 7. Rotational motion and angular momentum. 8. Static equilibrium and elasticity. 9. Gravitation. 10. Fluid mechanics. 11. Waves and sound. 12. Temperature and heat. 13. The laws of thermodynamics. 14. Electric charge and electric field. 15. Gauss's law. 16. Electric potential. 17. Capacitance and dielectrics. 18. Current and resistance. 19. Direct current circuits. 20. Magnetic fields. 21. Magnetic forces and sources. 22. Faraday's law of induction. 23. Alternating current circuits. 24. Electromagnetic waves. These are just a few examples of beginner-level physics books and their contents. There are many more books available on this subject, each with their own unique approach and level of detail.